Hello, welcome back to softwaretrailers.com. When looking for the perfect teaching platform, knowing the details of the product you are purchasing can help you make the right decision. When considering Teachable, knowing its advantages can help you create the course and school you always wanted. In today's video, we'll talk about the pros and cons of teaching on Teachable, a platform that makes it easy to develop and sell online courses, handling web hosting and payment processing smoothly, so you can spend your time building awesome sites for your courses. Also, don't forget that softwaretrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's go back to Teachable. Teachable is a platform for managing learning. In terms of producing and teaching courses, it's one of the best available on the market. These courses can be accessed from numerous devices, similar to an online classroom. Students' progress can also be evaluated by creating online quizzes and certificates using the software. Those with or without technical abilities will be up and running in minutes with our no-fuss platform, which makes it simple to produce and sell online courses and coaching. There are several highly favorable features for selling items with co-authorship on Teachable's e-commerce engine, which means that their earnings are distributed between at least two parties, such as an author and a partner. If you are interested in getting Teachable, you can check a special link to buy their services in the description below. Not only that, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, so you can be notified of other great videos about software providers like this one. Even if you have access to Teachable's full range of fantastic features, some of them can be improved in the future. Teachable is a disadvantage for some people because it is not a marketplace. Your firm will not be promoted using an automated sales platform because it lacks that. A difficulty that is solved if you have marketing tools at your disposal. There are a plethora of course teaching concepts to choose from, which can be confusing at first. However, owners who remain flexible will have many possibilities, as developing enterprises always begin with a limited number of options. There are transaction costs associated with Teachable's free and basic plans as well. The free plan takes $1 plus 10%. While the basic plan costs $5 plus 5%. To top it all off, more basic integrations with additional tools would benefit Teachable, particularly for live seminars or office hours. Putting disadvantages aside, get ready to be blown away by what Teachable can do for you. To begin, you'll have total access to your students' data with Teachable, including their email addresses. You'll be able to see what they purchased and how far they progressed in your curriculum. Also, Teachable works with Click Upsells, a new function just recently added. As a result, customers can buy your course and related products while they're still in the checkout process. All subscriptions include unlimited storage and content. It also benefits you to create an unlimited number of courses and enroll a total number of students. Additionally, if you use Teachable's payment platform, you can refund consumers who purchase the course within the first 30 days, which is a huge selling point. Marketing the course will be easier with the help of tools like affiliate payments and email marketing. In addition, other programs can be integrated via Zapier. You can, for example, integrate Zendy, Olark, Intercom, and many other services with Zapier. It's nice to know that Teachable doesn't charge by the number of courses you complete, but rather by the number of features you use. This allows you to develop several courses, earn some money, and upgrade to a paid plan. Check out the link to Teachable in the description below. If you like this video, check our playlist specific to industry-leading software. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this content was helpful. Thanks for watching.